So today we're going to dive into a situation that honestly, most of us business owners are going to face at some point. Dealing with those disrespectful customers. Like, seriously, have you ever had that customer that they just kind of push your buttons and they're just like plain rude? And, you're not alone. As small business owners, we pour our heart and our soul into what we do, right? And dealing with that kind of negativity, man, it can be draining. And allowing disrespectful behavior can go unchecked and can actually lower your morale, even scare away of other customers. Even for a little lemonade stand, a bad customer can sour enthusiasm and lose future business. So how do we handle this? Well, here are some key principles. First, stay calm and professional. This is the golden rule. Reacting emotionally almost always makes it worse. Just take a deep breath before you respond. Then listen actively. Sometimes disrespect comes from real frustrations. Give them a chance to explain. They might just need to feel, to hurt and be empathized. Okay? Which leads us to the next topic, which is empathize, like agreeing without disrespect. First, acknowledge their feelings. Hey, I understand you feel the price is too high, but never condone their bad behavior. Set clear boundaries. Okay, this is crucial. You have to establish what behavior is okay. You and your team deserve respect. Don't be afraid to politely but firmly state, I won't tolerate being yelled at. And then focus on facts and solutions. Once you set the boundaries and you steer the conversations to the facts and finding a solution, if possible, avoid emotional arguments. You have to know when to disengage. Sometimes, despite your best efforts, a resolution is impossible and they just keep being disrespectful. It's completely okay to politely but firmly end the interaction just to protect yourself and your business. Remember, how you handle disrespectful customers significantly impact your business reputation. Okay? Be consistent in your approach, train your team, and always take a minute to learn from each situation. Most importantly, don't get bogged down by the negative view. The vast majority of your customers are respectful and appreciate you. Focus your energy on them. Okay, so dealing with disrespectful customers is never easy, whether you're running a big corporation or, just a lemonade stand. It takes practice and patience. But stay calm, set boundaries, and knowing when to disengage. You need to protect yourself, you need to protect your team, and that hard-earned reputation that you have worked so hard for it. You deserve to be treated with respect, and so does your business. Okay, you got this. So let's think about your own business, and a question that I like to ask is, what's the one boundary you need to set with a customer or even yourself this week to protect your peace and your business?